What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we will be doing a plan with me in my monthly planner. This is the Vintage Botanicals for the weeks of November 17th through the 30th. Given that this is a monthly spread, I usually go on ahead and bulk plan for the 2 weeks at a time. So you've seen me in my last plan with me where I did the first 2 weeks of the month. Now we are going to go on ahead into these weeks. So let's go on ahead, grab these babies out. All right, and the books that I plan to use this go round, I still haven't had a chance to use the Homebody, so I really wanted to use this because I feel like this is super fall. I also grabbed the fall book, and I recently picked up the seasonal book, so I wanted to see if maybe I can pull some of the leaves out of this book here. So let's just go on ahead and get started. Alright, so I think that's all I'm going to grab out of the Homebody for right now. I'm going to dig back into the fall because I do want this to still look more fall-y. More fall-y. Is that a word? I don't know. I wish that I had some washi. That's what I'm feeling like I'm missing. I want to do. I want to pull this up. Shift this whole thing over. And it's okay that it's kind of like off center. That's totally fine. I'm not even mad. And I'm going to use this guy that says give thanks. Actually, I think I want to move it over even more because I do need a little bit of space just to write in some of my to-dos, and I totally wasn't thinking about that until just now. So I'm going to put this here. And I actually don't think I like this pumpkin here now that we have give thanks here. So bam, bam. And I think I'm gonna put that there. Yeah, that looks better. So I guess we're doing splashes of orange. So since that's the case, I have a few more options for things. I know that there are some boxes in here, and I do have something to do on the 17th. So I'm gonna take this green box and stick it here. Stick a little lead links to that. All right, I'm going for this guy. Going for the big one, I think. Put this here. Yes. Okay, so for right now, I feel like this page is pretty much done. I have something in mind that I want to put here, but I don't want to do it just yet. So to make this page look like a little something, I need to figure out what I would use. I want to go on ahead, put this here. You can pull in a little bit of this blue here. Little flag. All right, I think I want to find something to go here. So first I want to just cover that up. Use another one of the boxes. All right, and I just want to go in and add some accents using that green foil. I really like this. So I just want to sprinkle some here and there. So put some there. Oh, I didn't even go into this book. What the heck? All right, so let's find real quick anything that we could possibly use now that we're like winding down. Okay, so let's see. This might make me want to switch some stuff up. Dak on it. Okay, so let's just look through. Let's take a look-see here. Let's see. I kind of like this. I feel like I can use this for something, but I don't know what. Maybe if I use, since, yeah, this doesn't have anything going on. Put that down. I can't believe I forgot to use this. This was the whole point. I really wanted to use this. Okay, so it says Black Friday shopping. So I will use this for this. Oh. Yeah, I'll put it right here. And then, let's see. Buy, and then I just need a mini list. So I can add a couple of stars for things that, all right, I got a phone call right as I was laying that sticker down. But I think this will pretty much finish things off. All right, you guys, so here is my spread for November 17th through the 30th. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my process of putting this together. I wish that I had some washi. That's what I will say. And I never thought that I would say that because I'm not a huge washi person. I don't own a whole lot of washi, but I feel like in this case, being that everything is so kind of like pastel colored, I just feel like that would have added a nice little element. So as this fills out, I will definitely keep you guys tuned in. I will begin to do an after the pin just so you can kind of see what my day-to-day planning actually looks like when all is said and done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you hit it with a thumbs up. My channel is a more lifestyle based, so I do a little bit of everything, some beauty, some gardening, and now some planning. So if you like this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So until the next one, thanks so much for watching. Peace out.